Hello everyone, I'm here to unbox my order from Shein. Let's begin. As you can see, I have so many of them. Let me show you. You can see I got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a lot. 7, 8, hello, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my god, and 16. I got the other one already. I just looked earlier. My god, this is a lot of Shein order. Do you guys relate with me? So let's check it out. I don't even know what I ordered. Oh, this is nice. A shirt. Let's put them on. For me, that's why my order in Shein is always perfect when I order it, because I look at the shoulder. That's how I see my thing. The size of the clothes I'm wearing. If I order some, you have to look on your shoulder and your bust. So I'm 15 or 14 something is okay. So there it is, guys. It's very nice. This is just for everyday use. That's the first one. And then I have this. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come back, okay, and wear this on. So here it is. That's the dress that I ordered. You can put belt on around it, and it will look nice. There you go, guys. That's my dress that I ordered. I love it. And then I have this one. It's kind of like big on me, but let me put it on and just check it. Oh, it fits me, guys. Look, I thought it's kind of big, but it did fit me. This is size small. It's nice. Oh my god, I love. And the material, guys, is really nice. And again, you can put some belt on. Simple, make it elegant. There you go. Nice. I loved it. Very nice. This is size small. And then I have this one. This is size medium. See how nice it is. I don't need a belt. You can use it to go to church or just a casual wear. Love it. Look at the detailed. Very nice. And next I have this black. My gosh, guys, I loved it. This is size is small. There are size, yeah, this is size is small. Black. Because me, I was born with a big arm. Even if I do exercise, it doesn't do anything. So I was born with a big arm. So I wanted to, you know, cover my arm. So I buy things like this. So this is nice. Again, you can put belt on it under the brown side, so you guys can see it. There you go. Beautiful. Nice. Love it. Next, guys, is this one. When I opened it, it's kind of like, oh god, it's big. But when I put them on, it's just right on me. Looks like this. It's kind of like long. It's below your knee. But it's, and then it has a strap right here. You can go like this. that. And it makes it short. You see, this is beautiful. And this is size medium. Nice. I like this one. It has a what you call this? Everything like this, and then what you do, just pull and then you just ribbon it. It's like a style. You can even pull it all the way, guys. Look at that. Just show you all the way. It's like 2-in-1. It goes all the way to your knee, below your knee, and then once, or 3-in-1. It can go like this length. Guys, this is nice. I'm gonna buy more of this. And I just ordered some again. And I just opened this today. It came like, I had this for like 2 days in my counter. I just opened it today. Oh well. See, it goes like this. That's one. And then you can take this off. This is probably my favorite one. Take it off, and then you can just do in any length you want. You can do like that, or you can just pull it. If you don't want it to show your leg, then you can just pull it and go all the way below your knee. Very nice. I love this one, guys. Get this one. And here's the other one. It can be formal or semi-formal. Nice. And this is size is small. Size is small. And then you can put belt on it to make it not more nicer. There you go. Semi-formal or formal, whatever your whatever you desire, you know. Here it is. Very nice. Love this. I love green. Any green color I love. Mint green, lime green, dark green, it doesn't matter. I just love green. Nice. So here's the other one. This is the white version of this. White version of the green that I just put them on. I think it's like I have this already, but I'm not sure. There you go. This is the white version of the green that I just wear. There is so many colors in Shein, guys, if you want to check it. There you go. It goes below your knee. Nice. Next. Okay, guys. As you can see, what wrong with it. So I got this one. Its size is small. It's pretty, but the arm is too tight. You see? So this the only one. I'm gonna return because it's too tight. It's long. It's loose over here, but the arm is too tight. So I'll return this. Next. And now here's the other one. I like this. And then just put belt on it too. You don't have to, but I always put belt on my dress. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Up to your knee again. Nice. La la la. Okay, next. And this is large size. This is large size. So then I have this dress, another dress. Oh, it's the same thing. This, oh God, I think I have this too, I don't know. This the same thing as the other one. The white, the green, and the purple. I'll wear this later. Now I'm gonna show you my shirt that I have, I ordered. I'm just gonna put it on top of this. Again, you see green. There you go. It's nice. I like this because if you have a big arm, it just covers it. Very nice. Love it. Okay, next. And also just to let you know, this is nice. It's not see-through because there's a layer inside. See? There's a layer. So this is nice. If you put this on, it's not see-through because there's like a camisole attached to it. Now that I have this, I might get all the colors. Next. And I forgot to ask you and tell you guys, this also, I just saw it. There's a adjustable strap right here. You can adjust it the way you want it. So I'm kind of like short, kind of like loose a little bit on top. So I did that. I love this one. I might get more color of this if there's more. So here is the purple one. Remember I had the green, this mint green, and the white. So this is the purple one. It's nice to use for, you know, to go to church, or if you have a semi-casual party, whatever. Really nice. You can even wear this for formal if you want. You just have to accessorize it. Nice, guys. And also there is a layer underneath, so it's not a see-through. Very nice. And I have this one. This is size large. It's fine on here because I don't want it so tight on me. This is size large, so I guess it's alright. I just have to probably put them in a dryer, and it's shrinking it a little bit. There you go. I got one more. I have this shirt, this blouse. Let's try them on top of my dress. This is also nice. It's like this. I don't know what this is. I think it's just a style. Again, look at the arm. It's long. I love it. Don't see my fat arm. So there it is. I have to look how you use this one, how to wear it. I mean, it has, I guess this is a style. You can probably do like this, I guess, to tighten it up if you are wearing a shorts or jeans or even a skirt. So here it is, guys. That's the top. It's really nice. I might get some more of these because you don't really see your, you know, stomach on this one. It covers it up. And I got this thing, one more. So all of my order, I think I have 16. I only have one to return. So be very careful when you order Shein. You need to know your shoulder length and then the bust. That's always the right size to look if you order clothes in Shein. And I got this black denim jacket. I'll just put them on, see if it look nice on me. And if it doesn't look nice on me, I can either return it or I'll just give it to my niece or my sister. And what do you think, guys? Do I have to keep this or what? There you go. I guess it's nice. What size is this? I think this is small. Let me see. And it even has this thing to tighten it up. There's a thing right there that you can tighten it up if it's too big for you. So there you go, guys. It's very nice. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna see if I can get all the name of this dress that I put in. Going back to my email or something if I can find it. So there it is, guys. Thank you for watching for my unboxing. Bye everyone. Have a blessed day. Guys, I'm back. I don't know if I tell you the detail of this dress. It has a buttons in here. Very nice, huh? And up to your knee, below, up to your knee level. So this can be formal. I'm going to wear this on this event on April 6th. I'm glad I got a off-white color. So I'm wearing this one. And this one that I got is really nice. I might get one of these. This is size small. So I'm gonna go check on my receipt and get more of this color. I love it. It just goes up to your elbow. Again, I apologize, guys. I keep coming back. I mean, this is what happened if you record, you know. And I'm not really good at editing, you know, doing recording. So bear with me. All I wanted to do, guys, is just to show you what I've got so that you know what's the look of that dress or that clothing on you. You know what I mean? So it's up to you guys, but no bashing. I'm just trying to share what I got, and that's it. I'm just sharing positivity. Enjoy, guys, and thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and also please check my reels also. And my Facebook is Agnes Fortaleza Smith. Thanks everyone. Bye.